Everyone, the topic is about eco-friendly refrigerants. In this, the first heading we are going to discuss is about global warming potential. Global warming potential (GWP). It is a measurement of how much effect the given refrigerant will have on global warming in relation to the carbon dioxide. This is usually measured over a 100-year period. In this case, the lower the value of GWP, the better the refrigerant is for the environment. It is the relative scale which compares the amount of heat trapped by greenhouse gas to the amount of heat trapped in the same mass of carbon dioxide. Ozone depletion potential ODP. Ozone depletion potential. It is the potential for a single molecule of the refrigerant to destroy the ozone layer. All the refrigerants use R11 as a calibration, thus R11 has an ODP of 1. The lesser the value of the ODP, the better the refrigerant is for the ozone layer and the environment. Ozone depletion potential ODP of a chemical compound is the relative amount of degradation it can cause to the ozone layer. Ozone depletion potential. First, we will discuss about what is ozone. It is an isotope of oxygen with 3 atoms instead of normal 2. It is naturally occurring gas which is created by high energy radiation from the sun. The greatest concentration of ozone are found from 12 km to 50 km above the earth, forming a layer in the stratosphere which is called ozone layer. This layer forms a semi-permeable blanket protecting the earth by reducing the intensity of harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Then, what are the harmful consequences of ozone depletion? First, for humans, it increases in skin cancer, snow blindness, and cataracts. It is less immunity to infectious diseases like malaria. For plants, it causes smaller size, lower yield, it increases the toxicity and alters the form. For marine life, the marine life is reduced. The plankton, juvenile fish, large crabs and shrimps are getting reduced. GDP. And in this, it gives the table for the refrigerant which are used, and for each refrigerant, what is the ozone depletion potential and global warming potential. First, we'll say about R11, which is trichlorofluoromethane. In this, the ozone depletion is 1, and the global warming potential is 4000. As for R12, which is dichlorofluoromethane, in this also ODP is 1, and the global warming potential it is reduced to 2400. As for R125 pentafluoroethane, the ozone depletion is 0, but the global warming is 3400. As for R32 difluoromethane, the ozone depletion is 0, and the global warming potential is 650. Thus, there are different refrigerants, and it shows the table for the ozone depletion potential and global warming potential of different refrigerants. Eco-friendly refrigerants, CFC alternatives, HCFC, which is R22, R124, HFC, which is R134, R152A, and natural refrigerants, which is ammonia and hydrochlorosulfates. HCFCs, which is R22. In this, the ODP is 0.055 and GWP it is 1700. As for HFCs, high fluorocarbon, in this R134, R404A and 410A. In this, there is no ODP. However, the GWP it varies from 1300 to 2000. Then the natural refrigerants, as you can see, carbon dioxide, ammonia, propane, isobutane, and cyclopropane. In this, the ODP says 0, and for GWP it is less than, it is 1 to less than 1, and it is negligible in nature. HCFC, it is a transitional compound with low ODP. It is partially halogenated compounds of hydrocarbon. The remaining hydrogen atom allows the hydrolysis and it can be absorbed, which is HCFC, it comes under R22 or R123. R22. In this, it has a ODP of 0.05 and GWP of 1700. It has 40% more refrigeration capacity, high pressure and discharge temperature, and it is not suitable for low temperature application. It is extensively used in commercial air conditioning and frozen food storage and display cases. R123, it has a ODP of 0.02 and GWP of 90. It is a replacement for R11 as similar thermodynamic properties. It has very short atmospheric life but classified as carcinogen. It is an alternative to R11. HFC, it has 0 ODP as no chlorine atom contains 1 hydrogen and fluorine. Very small GWP values. No phase out date in Montreal Protocol. R134A and 152A are the very popular refrigerants used in HFCs. and they are actually costly refrigerants. It is the one of the disadvantage. Or 132, 134A, it has a ODP of 0 and a GWP of 1300. It is used as a substitute for R12 and to a limited range for R22. It has good performance in medium and high temperature application. It has very low toxicity and it is not miscible with mineral oils. Then about R152A, it has a 0 ODP and 140 GWP. It is the alternate, another attractive HFC with similar properties to R12. It is odorless than 134A but slightly flammable. It has low energy consumption. Hence, the Environment Protection Agency of Europe prefers HFC 152A to HFC 134A. Hydrocarbon. All they are natural, non-toxic refrigerants. No ozone depletion properties and absolutely minimal global warming potential. Their efficiency is slightly better than other leading alternative refrigerants. They are fully compatible with lubricating oils conventionally used with CFC 12. Thank you.